Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in a Fidelity account. You have several convenient options to fund your account. Electronic funds transfers allow you to move money directly from your linked bank account. Direct deposit enables automatic transfers from your paycheck, making saving effortless. Additionally, you can always mail a check to Fidelity for deposit, providing another straightforward method to add funds. Electronic funds transfers are a popular way to move money. First, link your external bank account to your Fidelity account through their secure online portal. Once linked, you can easily initiate a transfer either from your bank's website or directly from Fidelity's platform. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Be aware that most transfers have a daily limit, often around $100,000 for security. Direct deposit is an excellent way to automate your savings. To set it up, you will need to provide your employer with Fidelity's routing and your specific account numbers. You can easily find these necessary details on Fidelity's website or within your account statements. Remember to specify the exact amount or percentage of your paycheck you wish to deposit. This method offers a consistent and convenient way to build your investments over time. For those who prefer traditional methods, depositing by mail is always an option. Ensure your check is made payable to Fidelity Brokerage Services, LLC. It is crucial to include your Fidelity account number clearly on the check's memo line to ensure proper allocation. Then, mail the check to the designated Fidelity address. Please allow several business days for the check to be processed and for the funds to fully clear and become available in your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.